What does asparagus look like when it's growing in a patch that's over 20 years old?
It looks like this.
I'm at my in-laws next door, and my father-in-law says that I can keep half of the asparagus if I harvest it, so I think I'm getting a pretty sweet deal.
This is insanity. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. It's like a tree falling over. That one doesn't even fit in my basket. Look at all of these. Oh my God. This one must be newer. I'm actually going to take both of these. Okay, I found one that clearly my father-in-law missed. This thing is like 2 feet tall. Wow. Timber. Okay, I think he missed this one too, and it's already starting to go to seed, so I'm gonna leave this one be. But if you look in here, I am gonna get this one right there. And actually there's a little one hiding next to it. So let's see if I can get 2 for 1. These are kind of growing off to the side over here. Oh, hi, Lily. So I'm gonna make sure, oh, this one's really big. Wow, and this one's hiding. Just pick it right up. Wow, look at this harvest. Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen asparagus look like this before? This is the most beautiful asparagus I have ever seen. And over here, he's actually about to harvest some of this rhubarb. Hello? This is what he let me keep.
In talking with my father-in-law, I think I'm gonna cut those 2 that were really big and going to seed, because if they go to seed, it'll encourage the whole crown to stop producing. So I'm gonna do that now just to make sure that that doesn't happen.
Timber. Oh, no, didn't fall. I just have to pick it out. And number 2. I'll just add these guys to the basket.
I am feeling very grateful in this moment. So I hope you all have a wonderful night. I can't even, there we go. There we go. I got it in the frame.